Here's to our final video for the day. In search of the social contract, sibheka ukusebenza kwesivumelwano phakathi komphathi nophethwe, the political authority kanye namavota, abaphathi bemisebenzi kanye nabasebenzi kanye nama-beneficiaries, ongaba bathengi kanye nama-clients. Njengamanje ngithanda ukuvalelisa for today, and I promise you ukuthi I will be working on ama-interviews, God willing. Sizokwazi ukuthi singabi nayo i-talking head eyodwa la, but sibe nama-visitors afana nabo baba uZamokuhle Ndlovu, obekele ukuthi abe i-ANC councillor candidate for iNhlazatshe kanye neSinathingi iward ebhekene na the two voting districts, kanye nobaba uReverend Thembinkosi Ntshangase obhekene no ward 35 waseSobantu, naye ozobexoxa ngohambo lwakhe with iparty ayirepresentayo i-African Natives. Kanti ngizimisele futhi ukuthi ngikulethele ama-interviews nabantu abafana noThandoxolo Mkhize owenza iprogramu enhle kakhulu yokusiza abafundi abasezikoleni ezikwi-public school ukuthi bazithole sebekuma-privileged schools ngenxa yeprogram yakhe yokubasiza ebacathulisa ukuthi babafundi abafunda ezikolweni ezingcono ngokwezinga lemfundo nangokwezinga le-preparedness for i-adulthood, preparedness to enter into the world of works. Now, sinawo lama-characters ongalindela ukuthi ngikulethele wona. Thina-ke siyi-Indlulamithi Christian Projects, kanti sesike saba namagalelo amahle emkhakheni waka-arts and culture, la siye saba khona nohlelo lokufundisa nokuqwashisa nge-HIV and AIDS, sisi-group eyayizibiza ngemlungu ngesi-drama group. Sesiye saba nawo i-privilege of leading i-Arts and Culture Council eMgungundlovu, la besi-coordinator khona, si-facilitator ukuthi kutholakale ama-resources, especially ama-financial resources, to give us grants to ama-arts and culture formations in the city of Pietermaritzburg. Imisebenzi yethu include ama-festivals, workshops, kanye nokuthi sibe ama-role models, sebebe khona abantu asebesebenza ezingeni elisidlulayo in terms of i-arts and culture promotion. Uthola ukuthi abantu sebekwazi nokufaka abantu ezingeni lika-national as artists ngenxa yokuthi babona ukuthi kuyenzeka futhi kuyinto ekumele yenzeke. Siye saba namagalelo amakhulu emkhakheni eyahlukahlukene, okuye futhi kwambandakanya nokuthi kube khona ukupublishwa kwezincwadi okuhlanganisa i-poetry book by my late brother uMlungisi Mkhize and my own book engiyipublishe in 2023, which combines ama-themes afana no-politics, spirituality, kanye no-socio-economic development, ukuthi sizama ukugqugquzela ukuthi kube khona ukubambisana kubantu abamnyama, ukuthi bakwazi ukusebenzisana, bakwazi ukusebenzisa ama-organizations abo, basebenzise iy'nhlangano zabo ekuthenini bazithuthukise, nabo bazithuthukise bebodwa ngabodwana, as households, as independent households. Siye saba-ke ne-privilege futhi yokupublisha a civics newsletter ebibheke ne-challenge le yokukhuphuka kwe-electricity price njengoba sazi ukuthi ukubizwa kwagesi akufani e-township kanye nasedolobheni. Abaningi abantu asebebalekile emadolobheni babuyele ema-township kanti basekhona bakhona edolobheni ngenxa yokuthi babalekele ukuthi i-system yase-South Africa yenza ukuthi abantu abahlala edolobheni bakhokhe kakhulu kunabantu abangahlali emadolobheni uma ngabe sekukhulunywa ngey'ndaba zika-electricity. I-price ya-electricity ikhuphuka njalo ama-figures a-official kuthiwa it's over 1,000% of i-percentage yokukhuphuka kukagesi osekwenzekile esikhathini esincane. So much that kunemizamo kahulumeni yokuthi abuyekeze indlela abantu abathola ngayo ama-services okuzolidela okuzoholela ekuthenini ama-services kagesi egcine ese-privatized where usuthola ukuthi sekukhona ama-companies azimele angewona uhulumeni akwazi ukugenerator kumbe ukuphehla kanye nokuthumela kanye nokudayisa ugesi kuma-customers okwade kuyilungelo lenkampani eyodwa kahulumeni i-Eskom i-electricity utility ebisemthethweni bekade ku-Eskom kodwa ke engathi sekukhona imizamo efana naleyo ke asazi ke noma yonke leyo mzamo izosisiza yini njengabantu base-South Africa ukuthi ugesi suthole ngeprice echeaper because kube khona lento le ethi uma ngabe kukhona i-competition between different people abaproducer into eyodwa abenza umsebenzi owodwa ne-price ikiyeke kwenzeke yehle uma ngabe bezokhompitha ngendlela yokuthi nalowo ufuna ukuthi kuthengwe i-product yakhe. Kusho ukuthi in this case if bezokhompitha ngendlela yokuthi besihehe ukuthi sithenge ugesi wenkampani ethile, inkampani ethile ikhompitha nezinye inkampani akuseyena Eskom kuphela, kuthiwa singalindela ithuba lokuthi ugesi ungehla. Nakuba ke sazi ke ukuthi ikhona nalento ekuthiwa ke i-price regulation ukuthi uhulumeni anqume ukuthi i-price yento ethile ngaba goods or services ukuthi kungabi sekuba into embeqolo, kungabi futhi into ezolimaza abahwebi or businessmen. Asazi ukuthi kuzoba i-advantage ini noma cha ngoba ikhona futhi nalento ekuthiwa i-price fixing where sithole o-businessmen bebodwa benqume bebodwa ukuthi asizameni ukuthi i-price yethu ingehli kule. So you can never know about into ka free trade ukuthi izoba i-advantage or not to the ordinary consumer, because there is a reality yokuthi i-free enterprise has ama-opportunities ka-monopoly capital, it has ama-opportunities ukuthi abantu bakwazi ukuhlangana as abantu abenza umsebenzi owodwa banqume behind the scenes ukuthi this is how we would like to sell our product ukuze sakhe imali. So bona khona kahle kodwa abantu ke bayaqhubeka nokusafarisha njengoba i-price kagesi ikhuphuka, bayaqhubeka nokuthi bazithole sebebuyela kwi-gas, bebuyela ko-paraffin, bebuyela ko-generator na kuma-systems mhlawumbe ukuthi babasele eminyango nakhona la edolobheni uyakuthola lokho ukuze bathi make ends meet. so sizobona ukuthi kuhamba kanjani. Njengamanje ngizocela ukuvalelisa our last video for the day, sponsored by Indlulamithi NPO, ibambisene nomphakathi waseMgungundlovu okuyiwona la sidadisha khona i-social reality ukuthi i-unfolda kanjani. There will be stakeholders, there will be characters that we will be hoping to talk to. My name is Siphiwe Mkhize, signing off. I am saying bye-bye now. Cheers.